Marco Colbert Speedo Coat Refinish Network. So you guys have been asking for it for years, and today we're going to test it out. We got the Speedo Coat single stage Nardo Gray. Now we already have the Nardo Gray base coat clear coat system, which came out about a month or two ago. Just about 2 or 3 weeks ago, they came out with the single stage Nardo Gray expanding the colors line. We got our basic 1990s Honda Del Sol. You guys have seen me spray a couple of these. Couple dents, couple bodywork spots. Hood was really nasty. Needed the we used the SS 2790G primer to smooth everything out. We got a couple burn through spots in our bodywork and in our primer, so we're just going to go ahead and hit it with a little bit of sealer, and we're going to get ready for some paint. For cheap paint job, guys, we got the single stage. That's $149 free shipping, and then we're just going to use a tiny bit of the 1K acrylic sealer. You guys know this is my go-to, amazing product. Dump it in the gun and spray it. It's ready to go. So how good can we make this car look for 150 bucks? Let's get it sealed up. Let's start getting some paint on the car. Nardo Gray single stage, that wraps it up. First job on the books with this paint. Wow, very impressive. One thing I'm going to say about this paint is extremely user-friendly. We used a medium activator. This paint did not run. As you guys could probably see from the beginning of the video, this front bumper was extremely rough. We did spot prime a few areas, used primer sealer, but it still wasn't really covering it. So one of the perks with good old single stage, and a lot of you old school guys out there know, I still am a little bit old school, single stage fills imperfections. We double coated the front bumper like 2 times. So basically the front bumper has about 4 coats of paint on it. It smoothed everything out, 0 runs. As far as the gloss, this stuff definitely for single stage, I mean, it does have a really, really nice mirror shine to it. I was very impressed with the gloss. Very nice color in my opinion. I love the Nardo Gray. It looks pretty sweet. I'll show you guys the difference between 2 coats of paint and 3 coats of paint. The car we did 2 coats, and the Targa Top we did 3 coats. So a little bit smoother, a little bit more gloss. But as you guys can see, both will still provide you with a good finish. In my opinion, 2 coats is still optimal, still grants you a nice, high quality finish. If you guys are looking for the best, most affordable auto body products in the world, head on over to www.speedocoat.com. They have everything you need to get your projects done. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.